A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions. By thoughts, I mean specifically chatter in the skull, perpetual and compulsive repetition of words, of reckoning and calculating. I'm not saying that thinking is bad. Like everything else, it's useful in moderation. A good servant, but a bad master. And all so-called civilized peoples have increasingly become crazy and self-destructive because through excessive thinking they have lost touch with reality. That's to say, we confuse science with the real world.
Today we are going to Interlaken, you know. So from Interlaken we are going to INZO, and that will be for today, you know. We'll see you at Interlaken. A little update. The plan to go to Jungfrau is cancelled, so now we are going to up there, very high, as you said it. That's called RHEINFALL, and we are going to stay there for dinner and the folklore show. So we are here on top of Interlaken, RHEINFALL, getting a dinner with a perfectly nice view. It's 5 in the morning and we are exhausted, but we're still out here, you know. We are going to Jungfrau because we can't go. We couldn't go yesterday because it was way too late, so we are now way too early, but you know, we're gonna do this. Feeling good. Are you blinded? I've got my sunglasses, so I can't see anything. I'm getting blinded by the snow. So, it's that. The trip to Jungfrau is finished. Now we are heading back to the hotel. Now we are catching...
So tiring.
You're tired?
Tired.
You're tired. And what about you?
Tired.
You're tired.
And cold.
Me too. I'm really tired and cold. So glad that we are going back to the hotel, right?
Yep.
So it's day 4 and we are going to do a lot of cities, I guess. Right now we are here at Lucerne, a pit stop on our way to Zurich, maybe RHEINFALL, I don't know about that. I might look tired because I feel a bit sick. It's all the coldness and everything. The top of Europe, but now here we are doing the biggest waterfall of Europe. called RHEINFALL. So we are out here on the last minute of the trip in Switzerland and we are ready to go. We're already packed in the car. Now we're